modern apps are more advanced than ever. They handle tasks like processing payments, sending notifications, and displaying maps, and that's just the start. Building all these features from scratch would take years, which is why APIs and SDKs are essential. These tools allow apps to work smoothly by connecting with reliable, ready-made services. Let's begin with APIs, application programming interfaces. Think of them as interpreters that allow different software systems to communicate. Instead of building every function from zero, developers can use APIs to access powerful, tested services. Most modern APIs follow the REST, representational state transfer, architecture, which communicates through HTTP requests sent to specific URLs, called endpoints. These endpoints use basic operations. Get retrieves data. Post creates something new. Put full update, replace the entire resource with the new data. Patch partial update, update only specific fields of a resource. Delete removes data. Requests can include parameters to narrow down exactly what's needed. In a post request, for instance, the data is usually sent in JSON format within the request body. Every API returns a status code. Codes in the 200s mean success. Example 200 equals OK, 201 equals created. 400s mean something went wrong on the client side. Example bad request or unauthorized access. 500s indicate server errors. Security is critical. APIs use keys or OAuth tokens to identify users, like a digital ID. There are also usage limits to prevent abuse or overuse, and exceeding those can lead to restrictions or extra charges. Let's look at a food delivery app. When we open it, a map API shows local restaurants. The app's own API pulls up the menu. A payment API processes our order. A messaging API alerts the driver with delivery details. Now onto SDKs, software development kits. While APIs connect apps to services, SDKs offer pre-built tools that simplify how those connections are made. SDKs include everything developers need: libraries, tools, and documentation, making it easier to build apps for specific platforms like Android or iOS. A good SDK hides technical complexities and ensures smooth performance across devices. Many SDKs also include built-in API clients that manage authentication, format requests properly, simplify responses into usable data. For example, instead of writing hundreds of lines of code to connect with Instagram's API, the Instagram SDK allows you to add a sharing feature quickly and easily. So when should you choose between an API and an SDK? Use APIs when you want full control, fewer dependencies, or when no SDK is available. Use SDKs when you want to build faster, avoid common errors, and take advantage of platform-specific features. Often, the best apps use both, SDKs for core features and APIs for custom needs. Together, APIs and SDKs are the foundation of modern app development, allowing developers to build powerful apps without reinventing the wheel.